Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a February, March 2021, 32 variant. Question number 10 is a combination of differentiation and integration. So first of all, he said use this substitution, okay, and find the area of this from this region. So what is the basic formula of the area? Let's try it, right? First of all, area basic formula is x1 is the lower limit, which is here. X2 is upper limit, which is here. And here I must write y dx. So let's replace values 0 here pi by 2, and y value is this whole. I'm replacing sine double x into cos square x dx. But problem is that he given us this substitution. You know, the topic is integration, but I will start from differentiation. So u is equals to sine x. So what left hand side u, right hand side is x. What is the criteria? Left hand side variable comes up and right side variable comes down. So du over dx. And sine derivative is cos x. So this will go there and this will come down. So short story, du over cos x equal dx. Now I'm replacing, okay, first of all, can I replace? Problem is double x. This is the double angle problem. So single s, no problem here, but this double x problem. So we have a formula special, you know it very well. The sine double x is equals to 2 sine x cos x. So I'm going to replace it here. So first of all, I'm replacing, so area 0 to pi by 2. Here I'm writing 2 sine x into cos x, but this cos square I'm keeping as it is. Okay, now students, I'm replacing. Okay, this sine is replaced by u, so I'm writing here 2u. Okay, this cos I'm not replacing, but whereas this cos square I can replace by 1 minus sine square x. And this dx value, I have this. So I'm writing du over cos x. Cos x, cancel out. And this is a sine square is equal to u square. So I can say here, I got a 2u in the bracket 1 minus u square du. So let's complete, multiply inside. And ultimately, I got 2u minus 2u to power 3 du. But problem is not over. I have to discuss about the limits as well. So let's try to discuss the limits. Okay. So when you talk about limits, students, so 0 will go in the place here. So first of all, I'm writing here. If x is equal to 0, 0 plug in there. And sine 0 is 0. Okay. If x equal to pi by 2, this pi upper limit I'm putting here. And you know, sine pi by 2 is 1. So that is why. So 0 down, 1 up. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So sometimes he asks you proving, but he's not asking proving. So, okay, sorry, I'm doing, okay, so by mistake. Oh, sorry, no, correct, okay. He said exact area. Okay, it's okay. So how to find it? Now I will integrate, increase the power by 1 divided by 2, increase the power by 1 divided by same thing. Element is 0 to 1. 2 to cancel, I got u square minus u4 over 2 and 0 to 1. I put upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So when I plug in 1 and 1 here, so I replace every u by 1. First I replace 1, then I replace, okay, wait a minute, please. Just a minute. Okay, okay. So first I replace 1. So when I place 1 here and 1 here, done. And then I replace 0, 0, both values, 0 and 0. So I got it this, and I take LCM of this. LCM is 2. So 2 minus 1, I got a half unit square. So area is completely over. I believe you got a point. So let's talk about part number B. He said a point of x coordinate only point of maxima. For that reason, I have to differentiate this equation. So let me copy this whole from here. Copy and paste. Okay. And let me recheck. This is a y. Sorry for that. Y. And what is basic way? UV formula. When you differentiate, student, this you know very well. U copy V dash, then V copy U dash. 1 by 1. So let's start. So I have two choices. I can simplify first this one, or I can do directly. So I think both are okay. No issue at all. You can do directly, or the other way we have available as well. So other ways means as I have expanded and I converted the other format. This is also available. Okay, both are available. So I think I can first do it that way. 2 sine x into cos x times 2 cos square x. I got 2 sine x into cos cube x. This whole is called u and this is called v. So I'm starting now. Now, what is the plus point? Angle both become single x, single x. First, it was single and double. So I hope so clear. So 2 sine x, I'm copying, and cos cube is 3 comes down and power of cos 1 less into base, and that is a minus sine x. Done. Now I'm going the opposite. This x cos cube copied, and this derivative coming in the bracket. That is a 2 cos x. Okay, now I just, this negative will come out, and 3 2s are 6, and sine into sine, I get sine square and cos, I repeat, sine time to sine, sine square. Okay, I'm putting derivative 0 point of maxima, and you know it very well. 2 cos 4x. Now, common sense, cos common, and 2 also common. So I take maximum common from both. Okay, I got minus 3 sine square x and plus I got it cos square x is equals to 0. So either we say that this whole thing 0 or this whole thing 0. So I'm going step by step. So first I say 2 cos square x equal to 0, or negative sine square x plus cos square x equal to 0. I bring on the other side and I get what, students? So cos square x equal to 3 sine square x. 3 will go there and cos will go under it. Sine by cos become tan square x over 1 over 3. Here 2 will go there. I got cos this one, root of both side. I got 0. Quiz cos 0. Cos 0 is above or below. Okay, and both are out of range. Reason pi by 2 and 3 by pi by 2, both are out. Why out, sir? You can ask me, because this is a pi by 2. So how is it possible this is a pi by 2? This is a not pi by 2. This is 100% less than pi by 2. And this is we have two answers. 1 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Both are out of context. Okay. Here I will take a root of both sides. I get tan x equal to plus and minus 1 over root 3. So I will take one answer here, one answer here, and one answer here. And one positive, one negative. And you know, tan positive is first and third, and tan negative in third and fourth, second and fourth. And this is naturally, this is out of range. This is also out of range. This is also out of range. This in the range. So that's it. Tan inverse 1 over root 3. It giving us pi by 6. And which is our required answer. You may ask, why this out of range, sir? Because this is a pi minus that. It's a bigger than that. Even this out of range. Even this out of range or out of bounds. So this is our smallest answer. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the concept is completely over.